Hello friends, welcome all of you to this video, and today we are talking about the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. So let's start the video without any delay. The Statue of Unity is a statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first deputy prime minister and home minister of independent India. The statue is located in the state of Gujarat, India. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters. It is located on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam 100 kilometers southeast of the city of Vadodara and 150 kilometers from. The project was first announced in 2010 and the construction of the statue started in October 2013 by Larsen and Toubro with a total construction cost of 2,989 billion 29.89 billion dollars in US dollar 437 million. It was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar, was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Sardar Patel's birth. The total height of the structure is 240 meter with base of 58 meter and the statue measuring 182 meter. The height of 182 meters was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. The Statue of Unity was built by public-private partnership model with most of the money raised by the government of Gujarat. The Gujarat state government had allotted 500 crore for the project in its budget from 2012 to 2015. In the 2014-15 union budget, 200 crore rupees was allocated for the construction of the statue. Funds were also contributed by public sector undertakings under the corporate social responsibility scheme. Infrastructure company Larsen and Toubro won the contract on 27th October 2014 for its lowest bid of 2,989 crore rupees for the design, construction and maintenance. L&T commenced the construction on 31st October 2014 in the first phase of the project. Rupees 1,347 crore was earmarked for the main statue, 235 crore rupees for exhibition hall and convention center, 83 crore for the bridge connecting the memorial to the mainland, and 657 crore rupees for the maintenance of the structure for a duration of 15 years after its completion. The Sadhu Bet hillock was flattened from 70 meter to 55 meter to lay the foundation of the L&T employed over 3,000 workers and 250 engineers in the statue's construction. The core of the statue used 210,000 cubic meters of the cement and concrete, 6,500 tons of structural steel, and 18,500 tons of reinforced steel. Panels were transported over sea and then by road to a workshop near the construction site where they were assembled. Construction of the monument was completed in mid-October 2018 and the inaugural ceremony was held on 31st October 2018, the 143rd birth anniversary of Vallabhbhai Patel, and was presided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The statue has been described as a tribute to Indian engineers. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue at 182 meters. It rises 54 meters higher than the previous record holder, the Spring Temple Buddha in China's Henan province. The previous tallest statue in India was the 41-meter tall statue of Lord Hanuman at the Paritala Anjaniya temple near Vijayawada in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The statue can be seen within a 7 kilometer radius. Over 128,000 tourists visited on the statue in the 11 days after its opening to the public on 1st November 2018. The daily average tourist footfall at Statue of Unity during November 2019 reached 15,036, outpacing the Statue of Liberty, which attracts around 10,000 daily visitors on average. It has been included in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's 8 Wonders of SCO list. In its first year of operation, the Statue of Unity attracted 29 lakh visitors and collected 82 crores in ticket revenue. So friends, in today's video, if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.